Alright, this is going to be the elevator at M&M's World here at Times Square in New York City, New York. There's the elevator sign, 3 floors of shopping. Here is a store plan. I think this is a Schindler elevator. Here's a floor plan. It's going down. It's coming. Here it is. 1. Talking M&M face. 1. Here's a lantern. Let's go up to 3. Door closed but works. I like that. I like this M&M style alarm. No smoking. No certificate. Capacity 2,500 pounds. Phone. What floor are you going to? Going to 3. This is the first tri-level M&M store, world store that I've ever seen. Here we are at 3. Here I am. Let's look back into the store. Let's go back down. Let's go back down to 1. There it goes, and that's it.